Welcome to Daily English Diary. In this series, I write a short diary entry in English every day. Each entry includes the date, a simple reflection about the day, and some useful English vocabulary. Sometimes, I also mention a famous person or a historical event related to the date to help learn new words and ideas. This series is designed for English learners who want to improve their reading, vocabulary, and consistency, one day at a time. We start with the first day of the year 2026, a perfect moment for new beginnings and fresh goals. January 1st, 2025. Today is the beginning of a new year. January 1st is a time for new hopes, new plans, and new goals. Many people make New Year's resolutions, such as saving money, going on a diet, exercising more, or learning something new. This year, I want to improve my English and be more consistent with my learning. The word resolution means a firm decision to do or not do something. People often make resolutions at the start of the year, but keeping them is sometimes difficult. Being consistent means doing something regularly, even when you don't feel motivated. January 1st is also an important historical date. On January 1st, 1960, the famous singer Elvis Presley returned to public performances after serving in the Army. He is known as the King of Rock and Roll and had a huge influence on modern music. The word influence means the power to affect how people think or act. Starting a new year is a good moment to reflect on the past and think about the future. Small daily habits, like writing a short diary entry in English, can make a big difference over time. You can write your New Year's resolutions or your wishes for the new year in the comments. See you tomorrow with a new diary entry.